Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
Download the Grid app from the App Store or Google Play and open it to start a new project. Grant photo access so the app can import images from your camera roll, then choose a grid layout, 3x3 for 9-tile mosaic or 3x2 for 6 tiles. Set each tile size to 1080 by 1080 pixels, so the final split image becomes 3240 by 3240 pixels for a 3x3 grid. Enable high-quality export and sign into Instagram if you want direct posting. Import a single high-resolution image, preview the 3x3 split, and adjust the crop or alignment until the composition looks correct across tiles. Use guides and the zoom tool to position important subjects inside center tiles and avoid cutting faces or text at the tile edges. If needed, apply light editing, exposure, contrast, and a single consistent filter so each tile matches. When satisfied, tap Split to produce 9 separate 1080 by 1080 PNG or JPEG files, named in posting order for easy uploading. Export the tiles at 1080 by 1080 pixels each and save them to your camera roll. The original combined file is 3240 by 3240 pixels for a 3x3 grid. To make the grid reconstruct correctly on your Instagram profile, post the tiles starting with the bottom right image and finish with the top left image so the timeline fills left to right, top to bottom. Use consistent captions, hashtags, and a posting schedule. Spacing posts preserves aesthetic and prevents accidental reshuffling when you edit or delete any image.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.